And welcome back to Primetime News, and special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Up first this evening, a man identified as one of the suspects in Sunday's mass shooting in Cherry Tree Lane, Clarendon, has been killed. He has been identified as Steve Smith, otherwise called Thicka or Fly Brain of a Comfort District, Yorktown address. According to reports, he was killed during a police military operation in Osborne Store District in the parish. He allegedly challenged the security forces and was shot. An illegal firearm was reportedly recovered from the scene. The deceased was previously named among a wanted list in the parish and was on the radar of the police. He is suspected of being involved in numerous contract-related killings and other serious and illicit activities in Clarendon and other parishes. Now, the security forces are calling on the murder suspects to surrender peacefully when they are being apprehended and not to challenge their members. Indicom is investigating.